Is that the dirt road that you were talking about?
Yeah, this dirt road's going in and out of the wilderness or for hiking and camping redempto. Pretty soon the hunters will be using it for the black-tailed deer season. That's coming up in 3 or 4 weeks.
I saw a little lake over there. They're fishing it.
Oh yeah, so back there, I can't remember the name of the reservoir, Irwin, and it doubles for a tilapia farm. Not too far from there, the Boy Scouts of America have a little compound and they work on that. It's pretty neat. And to the left here, this is these radar domes belong to the Barking Sands military base along the coast. It's all part of a missile defense system, always looking out west for any threats.
What's the name of this place?
So this is one of the most beautiful, dramatic scenes in nature, redempto, called the Napali Coast.
Okay, this one's for Gabby.
Now this Hanapu Valley is an ancient burial ground for chiefs. The chief would die and then the bones will be lowered all the way down to the base. The fact that those remains contain powers. You might see goats along the wall. It is one of their favorite hangouts. They're going to be tiny though. Those holes in the back are over 3,000 feet high.
Just saw a goat.
You did?
On the right side.
Awesome. Let's do another pass, Erwin. I got my bow and arrow in the back.
Oh my God, this is awesome.
Look over to the left, Susan. What a beautiful picture.
Yes.
That is Hanapu Beach.
Wow.
Okay, let's see if we can spot that goat. What color was it, Erwin? Was it white?
Yes. Yes, it was.
Yeah, there's a white one right there. Awesome. And a brown one. Very cool. Yeah, that's the life.
Glassy skies are blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking and singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them.
This is the Carlisle Valley. People used to live here for hundreds of years. The last official resident moved out back in 1991. After that, the valleys were declared sacred. No one's allowed to live here anymore, although there's a hippie movement that started back in the 60s. That community's still here. They fish, hunt, smoke the pocololo.
Is that related to Maui Wowie?
Yeah, directly related.
Pocololo.
What is pocololo?
Miguel.
Yeah, everyone, can you please tell Susan what pocololo is?
It's illegal in most places.
Marijuana?
It is marijuana. Yeah, I don't know why it's not legal here in Hawaii yet, but who knows?
The dream that you dare to, why, oh why can't I?
Okay, if you enjoy a hike, you'll see a very dramatic one here, just to the right. A line, very thin line, zigzagging along the cliffs. This is the world-famous Carlisle Trail, about 11 miles from Kauia Beach, which is all the way over there where the island takes a turn, back to this valleys that I just showed you. It will take you all day, one way. And you have to be prepared because it is borderline dangerous if you don't know what you're doing here. Okay, you may notice caves all along the coast. They're ancient lava tubes. When the waters are calm, the boat tours will take you to the caves. You go in one, and then you come out the other. There's one of those big caves, Mary. Today's a little bit choppy, not a good idea, but especially the summer months when it's calm out here, the tides here are pretty low and they can go all the way inside and explore. That is Waimea, not Waimea, but Hanakapiai Beach off to the right. A little bit of a double rainbow here for you, Susan. See if we can turn it into a full rainbow when we turn around here in just a moment.
Awesome. Amazing.
Yeah, I didn't know you like rainbows, Susan. Let's look for some more.
Some of the that blue color or darker color over there.
Oh, the colors? All right, let's turn it around and take a look.